In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Trends for resume keyword ideas, making it fast and easy. Whether you are looking to optimize your resume for job applications or simply want to ensure you're using the most current terminology in your field, Google Trends can be a fantastic tool. So let's get started. First, head to your browser and type Google Trends into the search bar. Hit Enter, and you'll see a list of results. You'll want to click on the first link that appears. This will take you directly to the Google Trends homepage. Once there, locate the Explore button and give it a click. This will bring you to the main area where you can search and analyze various trending topics. Now, before we dive too deep, it's crucial to brainstorm some base keywords. Think about the job titles, skills, and tools that are related to your field. For example, if you're interested in project management, keywords could be project manager or agile methodologies. If you're focused on technology, terms like Python programming or digital marketing might be useful. Having a list of these keywords on hand will make it easier to begin your search. With your keywords ready, type one into the Google Trends search bar. Hit Enter, and Google will provide a wealth of data. You'll see an interest over time graph showing how frequently the keyword has been searched. This is an excellent way to gauge whether a particular skill or tool is trending upward, staying steady, or declining over time. Once you have your initial graph, take advantage of the filters at the top of the page to refine your search. You have the option to adjust the location setting, which can be changed to a specific country or kept as worldwide, depending on your needs. The time range is also highly customizable. For a picture of current trends, select past 12 months. But if you want to understand long-term changes, past 5 years might be more revealing. Now, if you're juggling more than one keyword, click the plus compare button to add additional terms like alternate skills or job titles. This comparison feature is invaluable for seeing which keywords are gaining popularity and which might be losing steam. Finally, scroll down to discover related queries and related topics. These sections reveal additional rising keywords and topics people often search alongside your main term. Incorporating these high-interest terms into your resume, particularly in sections like skills, job titles, or tools, can boost your visibility and relevance, making you more attractive to potential employers. So there you have it. A comprehensive, simple way to harness Google Trends for effective resume keyword optimization. Happy job hunting, and I hope these tips help you land your next big opportunity.